welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving a very interesting SQL problem, a cricket points table calculation. This problem is very common in interviews and I will explain step by step how to solve it in Oracle SQL. Okay, so let's move to our problem statement. Actually here we are given a table just like match results. Okay, match results which having three columns. One is team A, team B and win. The win column can be one of the team or tie if the match was tied. We'll see here like team A, India, team B, Pakistan, then after that win is India. Based on that information or data, our rule is now the rule are very simple. Like suppose whoever win the match, they will get the 2 points. Suppose the match is tied between two teams, then they will get 1 point each. If they will lose, then they will get 0 point. So and our goal is to prepare a point table for each team. Okay, so the expected output is first of all we need to expected output is like based on the team who win, based on that we need to create like a point table. Okay, so let's move to solve this SQL problem. So as I already created the match results table, you can see the data already I inserted here. Okay, so here to solve this we need to handle two cases. When a team wins, give 2 points. When it's tie, give 1 point each to both team and team B. We don't need to do anything for losses because they are 0 points, right? So how we need to do it? Okay, let's start. First I'll write select team. Okay, sum of points as total points from let's select win as team to as points from our match results table. Match result where win equal to tie. Okay, then after that we'll do union all. Next select. First I'll write the query, then I will explain all of you. TeamA as team, one as points from match results where win equal to tie, again we will do union all and select team B as team and one as points from match results where win equal to tie, then group by team order by total points. Okay, so now I'll run this query now. Let's see. Can you see the expected output? Let me break this query step by step. Okay, as we already see our table, like team A and team B, match results having team A, team B and win column. So here we need to understand the problem. We want to calculate points for each cricket team. Suppose if a team wins, it get 2 points. If a match is a tie, both teams get 1 point each. If a team loses, it gets 0 points. So we don't need to calculate for who lost the match. So here the challenge is, how do we assign point to the correct team, right? So here if you see the query which I wrote now, you can see the query I was using by using a subquery with derived table. Subquery in the sense derived table with union all, and then applying a final group by to sum up points. Okay, why I did it? Because in each match there can be two different cases, either win or tie. So we need to split matches into multiple rows so that each team gets its correct point. Then finally we aggregate sum of all points for each team. If I see here, the first step is like, first I did it handling the winners. Whoever the winner, they will get the 2 points. For example, if you can see, suppose India versus Pakistan. Okay, so who win? Suppose if I see the win is India, so India gets the 2 points. Okay, 2 points here. So if I see the India Pakistan, so here India wins. India win means here it will be like 2 points. Okay, similarly the second query part, if we go through, here you can see both teams get 1 point in case of a tie. Okay, so here like take all matches where there was a clear winner, not tie. The winner names is stored in the particularly win column and give that winner as 2 points. You can see the whatever the winner details are given, but whoever the team losing, it will automatically get 0, so we don't include it. Okay, then after that we are handling the tie. So if you see here, the handling the tie means whoever the match, like the team the match is tied, we are getting the 1 point at each, right? For every tie match, takes team A and give it 1 point. For example, you can see Australia versus England. The match is got tie. So who got that? Australia gets 1 point, right? So then after that, if I see the team B, then after that team B as team, 1 as point from match results. For the same time match, also take team B. Here we take as the team A, then next we took the team B. So 1 as point from match results. So who win is like again tie. So for the same time match, also take team B and give it 1 point, right? So Australia versus England, the match is tie. So here Australia already getting the 1 point, and again here we can get it. England also gets 1 point, right? So after everything like win and tie we got it, then we are combining the result. So for combining the result, I use the union all, because we use union all to put all three results together. Winners with 2 points, winners with 2 points, team A, if you see team A in a tie with 1 point, team B with a tie with 1 point. So here why we are using a union all, because we want to keep all rows, not removing the duplicates. But every match contributes to multiple rows for different teams. So after that, what we did, after that all those whole query full sheet, select team, sum of points as total points. Then after that I use the from class. Then you can see the group by team and order by total decks. So now we are grouping by the team name. The team, which one the team we are using. So we are taking as the team A as team. Okay. and win as team. So then we are grouping those teams. Okay, then each team may appear multiple times from different matches. So using, as we saw here, the query, how we are getting and how we are calculating the total points in this query. Okay, so now let's see how we can extend our this same query to showing the win, losses and ties for each team, just like a real cricket tournament table. What I'm saying, suppose this is the expected output we did it. Suppose if the interviewer asks to you, okay, we wanted to see like the wins details, also loss details and ties details, then how we can expand it this the same query. Okay, so what I did it, because as I already wrote this query, I don't want to again waste my timing, so I will run to this query and you will see how this query is exactly working. If you run this, you can clearly see the win count, loss count, tie count and total points. Let's understand this query how I did it, because here first I created a common table expression, means match expanded. Okay, why I use, because each match actually involves in two teams. Okay, so I take it like team A as team A, and I also use team B as team, means separately I using union all, and for each team I assign a result like win, loss and then tie. This way every match is expanded into two rows and one for each team's perspective. Okay, then next step what I did it, because in both the table team A, team B, I did the same thing. Then after that I have all the team with the results, so I use the conditional aggregation. Conditional aggregation means I wanted to count, because I wanted to calculate the count, how many times the result is win, how many times the result is loss, count how many times the result is tie. So this total details will giving to me the like win count, loss count and tie count. Okay, so finally I did it, I calculated the total points using the rule 2 points, because whoever the win, as we know, we are using the we are giving like 2 points, whoever the win for win the match. But who the match, whatever the match is getting tie, we are giving 1 point for each. But for losing we are giving 0, 0 for loss. Okay, so wins means how we are calculating, we can say wins into 2 plus tie into 1 each. So that is that's our point system. So the output now looks like a proper point table. If you see here team and win losses, like losses count and tie count and as well the total points, just like whatever we see in our IPL or World Cup tables. Okay, so as earlier we showed only the points. Okay, here we saw the points. Now we we also see show wins, losses, ties by adding a case and aggregation. Okay, so this is how we can solve our query, uh, and I believe this is helpful to all of you. So as I use both like union all, as well subquery in the first query, and second query I use the common table expression with sum of case like aggregation query. So now I hope it will be helpful to all of you, this question. You also try for your approach, how if you know other approach also try it and comment also, so that I can also learn. So, and as I told you, so we already saw the two approaches today. So query 1, the simple version, only point basis. Query 2, we saw the detailed version like showing the wins, losses, ties and points. So both are useful depending on what the interviewer asks. Okay, so this is like very common SQL interview question, because it checks how you think about the data transformation, yeah, conditional logic, yeah, aggregation. So if you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more SQL questions. See you in the next video. Thank you all of you.